to make a little chocolate chip banana bread with coconut flour because I have a lot of coconut flour that I need to use up. I'm gonna test it out now. It doesn't look amazing, but that might just be because it's coconut flour, hopefully. It's pretty good. Not bad. I'll link the recipe I used down below. It's Friday. I just wrapped up at work for the day and I'm about to head over to Golden Gate Park to play some tennis with my friends. We rent courts in Golden Gate Park for like pretty good rates, so I'm trying to get back into it. Ooh, I just got a work email. That is triggering. I played tennis all throughout like middle school and high school, and then when I got to college I really just stopped completely because I went to school in Boston. There's like no courts in the city and it's always cold. So yeah, now that I live in sunny California, I'm trying to do a little bit more with my fitness and health. I'm gonna go do that, and then I have dinner tonight and we'll see what else happens. All right, it is time to head out. Can you believe this is still San Francisco?
I'm falling to pieces in my room.
You're gonna be on court 10.
Court 10?
It's gonna be 10:50.
Everyone is late as usual. You know who you are.
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, used to cry alone at night, tears had stained my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times, I don't seem to mind, cause you're bothering me in the best way. I can be a fool for the little things you do to get old to me. I
haven't had this in so long. Cheers. Cheers. Love a little social commentary in a public bathroom. I just got a package in the mail and it is a candle burner. It's like one of those lamps you put your candle under so it warms it instead of having to light the candle. And apparently it makes your candle last longer and it like diffuses the smell more. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up. I already bought a candle. It is from PF Candle Company, which is like a pretty popular LA-based candle company. It's in the scent amber and moss. Yes, I was here yesterday and now I'm back. 2 days in a row.
One of them looking at Let's get a picture of
Almost the same. It smells so good. There's so many flavors. What do I do?
I'm gonna pick like 5.
They have. Yeah, I just got one.
We got a Vietnamese coffee and donut. Mochi donut, not just a regular donut.
That is the old regular.
You like it?
This is good too.
Do you want? Do you want to try? Oh,
Yeah, I told you.
Good morning. I'm currently getting ready to go out and pick up some furniture actually. I've been kind of itching to do something to my place, change it up a little bit. I do need like a little bit more storage, both in my room and in the living room. So I found this side table on Facebook Marketplace for really cheap, and it's like kind of a rare vintage IKEA piece that they don't sell anymore. I found it for really, really cheap, like literally $10. So I'm gonna go pick that up. I don't know, I've been itching to move, but if you live in SF, you know that like rent control is just so good, and having month-to-month rent, which makes it really hard to leave. But anyways, my friend gifted me this Romand Blur Fudge Tint yesterday, and I want to try it out and see how it is. I'm a sucker for Romand lip products. I think I have, I don't know, like 10. It's really unhealthy. On first glance, it looks exactly like the 3CE tints. Pretty similar. It's pretty matte, which I'm usually not a matte lip girl, but this one's really nice. And I like the color. Cute and really good for $10. While we're on apartment stuff, I just got an Amazon package, and I bought a new throw blanket. Hey, it looks so cute. It's got this little rainbow tufted onto it. Looks like this. I think it's really cute. So many good purchases lately.
beautiful warm day after work, and I'm headed to my first solo pickleball game. I don't even know the rules of pickleball, so this should be interesting. It can't be that hard though. The court is tiny and I played tennis for 10 years, so if I can't hang, then I just really don't deserve to be there. Wait, is it that? A little boat day? Some foggy weather? So cute. Me and my only friend.
Not bad. Not as good as my iced coffee, but it's a nice little change once in a while. I'm planning a trip to Asia in November to December. I'll be in Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. So if anyone has recommendations for any of those places, we're going to Kyoto, Tokyo, Osaka, Seoul, Taipei. Please let me know. I'll be gone for quite a while, so I need some things to fill up my days with.